Welcome to MetroBike, Austin's public bike share system. This video is presented by Austin Energy. MetroBike is brought to you by Capital Metro, the City of Austin Transportation Department, and Bike Share of Austin. This video will teach you how to sign up for MetroBike, how to use the system, and how to have fun while doing it. And here's Marisa to show us how. Hi Marisa! You now have 4 options to sign up and rent your MetroBike. Option 1, sign up via the Cap Metro mobile app. When selecting a pass, ensure to select a combined bike and bus option. Then follow the steps in the app. Option 2, sign up at any of the MetroBike stations with a kiosk. Walk up to the kiosk, tap on the screen to wake it up, and follow the on-screen directions. Option 3, sign up using the website. Go to atxmetrobike.com, click on Passes, and follow the prompts from there. Option 4, sign up using the B-Cycle app. Follow the on-screen directions to get signed up. Once signed up, you'll be able to use the B-Cycle app to check out bikes. That was so easy. Nice going. If you have a promo code, be sure to enter it when prompted. Ka-ching, you save money! If purchasing a pass through the Cap Metro app, you will need the B-Cycle app to activate your bike pass. Now that you have your account set up, it's time to get riding. If you don't know how to ride a bike and are unfamiliar with Austin's bicycle and micromobility laws and safety, please stop here and watch this video. Hey there, welcome back. There are 3 ways to check out a MetroBike. Option 1, use the kiosk. After you've signed up, you'll automatically be prompted to select the dock number of the bike you want to ride. Once you tap the screen indicating which dock you want to unlock, you have 20 seconds to pull out your bike, so be quick. Returning users will need to enter their phone number or swipe their credit card to be identified and check out another bike. Option 2, use the app. Once you have an active pass on the app, you can use the built-in map to select your nearest station. Click on the station icon, then select the number of the bike you want to ride. Like the kiosk checkout, you have 20 seconds before the dock automatically locks again. Option 3, certain members will have an RFID card. You'll need to request this card or fob during the sign-up process. To check out a bike, tap the silver button on the top right of any dock and wait for it to light up. Swipe your card over the lighted area and the dock will unlock. Way to go! Make sure to inspect the bikes before unlocking the dock. Ensure you have a good amount of e-bike battery, enough air in the tires, and the brakes give some resistance when you squeeze them. That looks ready to go. If you get a red X on the dock, that bike has been locked down for maintenance and you should select another bike. Last but not least, make sure to turn on the e-assist and have fun. There's no better way to see Austin, Texas. Look at that view! To end your trip, you must return your bike to an open dock at any station. All passes, memberships, have a 60-minute limit for any one trip, with the exception of the pay-as-you-ride pass. To end your current trip and avoid usage fees, find the closest station with an open dock. Once you get to your destination station, find an empty dock to return your bike. When pushing the bike in, make sure to use a good amount of force so the bike is securely locked in the dock. A quick hard pull on the handlebars is always a good idea to ensure the bike will not come out. If you've opted into our notifications, you'll get a text or app notification when the system has recognized your bike as returned. Can't get enough bike share? Neither can we! Fortunately, most passes, with the exception of the pay-as-you-ride pass, includes unlimited 60-minute trips all day. So go ahead and skip leg day. As long as you have a multi-trip pass, you can keep checking out bikes for the length of your pass access period. It's as easy as rent, ride, return, repeat. For assistance, please call 512-954-1665 or visit atxmetrobike.com. See you out there.